everybody, it's Mystery Monday time again. So I just put everything here because I haven't got that much bags left from this batch. So this one, this is called TsumTsum. So the TsumTsums are those little Disney thingies. It could be Tenyo too. Okay. It's a lot of white because it's got a white background, but it has got the names of the characters, and yeah, I will see how this goes. So I've got this in a bag. Let's check if it's... Oops. Yeah, it's a big bag, so look at that. It's a big bag, but it is closed, so it should be complete. And yeah, that's it. Simple. Okay, I would say let's do the jigsaw and see what comes out. Alright, you guys, look at that. That was fun. I thought it would be trickier, but it wasn't, because you could tell them all apart very well. So, TsumTsum. And here we've got a lot of Disney characters. And, of course, Mickey and Minnie in the middle. We've got Stitch, Scrump, Lotso. We even got Perspective from the second Toy Story. And here we've got all the Monster University monsters. That's cool. Peace in a Pot. There we have them. Everyone's there. Anna and Elsa, of course, with Olaf. And we've got Jack Skellington with Sally and Zero. So, that's a nice jigsaw. That was fun. So it is from Tenyo. I will put the details in the description as always. And thank you very much for watching. And we will see us on the next Mystery Monday. And if you want, just hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.